I did not want to do a video about this, but I am annoyed with tax professionals, allegedly tax professionals. And what I mean by that is individuals that say that they are in the business and they act like their job is way harder than what it is. Okay. Now, this is for those of us who maybe not making a lot, but you're making something. So essentially, what I got going on here is I basically uploaded my bank statements and it said not reconciled. Okay, this is in DocuClipper. My idea was when I uploaded it, everything was gonna be reconciled, everything was gonna be good, and this was gonna be a software for me. Now I have 66 pages here. I think it only used 10 credits, but the only reason is because of how it came over in the PDF. I think it's possible to do this, but I just need to figure out how to do it. And you're seeing just like if you were to sign up for the plan, because this is a free plan that I'm on for 14 days. I'm trying it out. And what I'm going to do is figure out how to get this reconciled with you guys on here. So it's a selected document. DocuClipper displays the transactions and summary information of one document at a time. Okay. Reconcile. And I think this is this one right here. This is not reconciled. Okay, which I understand because I don't think it's anything here anyway. That's just something that is like the first page of this document. Okay, so it says not reconciled. So I agree that probably shouldn't be reconciled yet. Okay, select the account, e.g., badge indicates the account is reconciled. Okay. All right, select the period 05 to 131, 2023. So that's reconciled somehow. Okay. Not reconciled is something right here. Summary of information includes total number of debits, etc. Start end dates. Okay. So all this stuff is allegedly not reconciled yet. Now what I need to do is browse the transactions, click on the filters, select only certain transactions. Okay. Simple enough, I think. Include or exclude transactions using the toggle. Okay. Correct the values of transactions, clicking on the cell and entering in new value. Okay. Add transaction to add any missing transactions. Okay. Select one of more transactions. Okay. How many damn things is it? Make changes to the selected transactions in the bulk. Okay, in bulk. Okay, so don't know where that's at exactly, but assign transactions to a different account or period. Okay, almost done. I think get and help or report an issue. Okay, click the download data DocuClipper format, Excel, QuickBooks, or Zero, or in any other third-party application. Okay. Okay. That's what that would do if I wanted to. I'm not doing that yet. Okay, so this one right here says not reconcile, but I don't know what this is. I don't know how to change it. So this is the whole PDF somehow, and it's only showing 20 some pages. I don't understand why it only shows this many, because it's way more than this. So I guess that's my goal right now. I think maybe I need to get these bank statements split up, and actually when I split them up, I need to do it page by page by page, not like this individual gave it to me. They gave me 66 pages of a file of a PDF, a whole PDF, not individual. Oh, this is one PDF, this is another one, this is another one. They didn't do that, which is fine, but at the same time it's kind of screwing me over. Now it says account is not reconciled. I don't know why it's not. So I got to figure out how to get this reconciled now. Hmm. Hmm. No, I want that there. Hmm. Don't know. Monthly service fee. I don't know why it only brought in certain stuff. Categorize. No. What industry are you in? Business owner. What is your company size? 1 to 10. How many documents you need to convert? 100 or less. In fact, less than that. But how often are you planning to use DocuClipper? I don't know, monthly, maybe. I don't know. I'm just, I'm actually, yeah, I'll put it as monthly just in case. Hit submit. I don't know what it does. So it says 65,000 is unrecognized. I don't know what this is. Okay, transaction from. Okay, so it says transfer from savings to this. Okay, so this is savings and investment, travel, transportation, income, healthcare, groceries, entertainment, debts or payments. Okay, so I think I know what this is. So this is a debt or debit payments. Okay, that's what this is right here. So that's a manual entry. Okay, and that's bulk right here. If I were to choose, let's just do this because I think you're supposed to be able to do all. So all the we pays, I'm gonna keep those highlighted. The deposit, no, but anything we pay is gonna stay highlighted. Okay, this is all the stuff that it is not familiar with. Okay, withdrawal. It's not familiar with that. I'm just gonna uncheck anything that is not office charge. Okay, I'm gonna uncheck that monthly service fee. Uncheck it, uncheck it, uncheck it. This is all the stuff that it couldn't. It didn't understand what it was. Okay, so this right here stays checked. 1 of 25. Damn. I got a big yeah. I'm gonna go through do all this stuff and then I'm going to, I guess, unfortunately, come back to this because this kind of sucks. Let me pause this so you guys ain't gotta wait. Okay, this is a side note. All right, so I didn't want to make it super long, but it's a continuation of what I've already been doing. So what I found was I was trying to figure out this thing right here. How do I update, based on, say, for instance, category or something? Because it's all these damn transactions right here. All of them, right? All these different ones, and they change every different time. So I was like, how do I get this, so I'm not having to manually boom, 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 the same damn one. So it's an easy way to search in this DocuClipper, which I just found out. So what you do is do the description, because based on this right here is a description for your client, your account, whatever it is. And basically, what you're gonna do is I'm gonna hit description, and then I'm gonna hit search, and then I'm gonna put ORIG. Just hit apply. Bam. When you hit that, it narrows down all those pages that you've seen before. I don't know if you've seen it before or not, but let's just look at it. Without it, you got 1,300 pages. You gotta go try to find this one thing right here. We pay. This is a account that we have. So basically, what I'm gonna do, hit description, and I'm gonna put ORIG, and that's an OMFG moment right there, because it went from 1,300 pages to have to go and categorize to just 40 different. I guess it's 40 different transactions. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to put that there, and then I'm gonna update the category so everything. So I'm not gonna have to manually basically go through and put this simple thing right here. What is it? Debit payments. I have to do this for every single one. You know how annoying that is to do that? It's gonna be super annoying. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to category, And then no, matter of fact, no. I got this right here. All I need to do, you know what? I already did what I had to do. I apologize. I did the description. That's all you had to do. Hit this right here. That highlights all of them. And then you're able to say, okay, category, hold on. Update category. You hit that, and you hit debit. And you hit update category. That's going to go for every single thing on that page, on the next page. And you don't have to go through every single one. It's already updated. You do this for every single one. Right here, this just updated my account to 12,008.88. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to figure out. If I didn't have this right here, this ultimately means that the individual who I had doing my taxes, they were, I don't know, over increasing the numbers somehow. I don't know how they got the numbers that they had, but I think they were wrong, super wrong. Because they had it as my account. Yes, I'm talking about my account. I had $157,000 in it. Now I need to double check this somehow, but based on what AI said, because I put this to an AI bot first, okay? Based on what the AI said, they said I only had like 65,000, and this other individual who was doing my taxes said, yeah, you got 157,000 in the account, and I gotta try to reconcile this. All right, mother. All right, look, straight up. Let me tell you, I'm pissed. All right, mother, and you know what I should say, but got children around, I ain't gonna say it, but I want to say it. So 53,000. Just looking at this, 877. Okay, 0.54 because I want to do it to the T. Plus 12,088. Okay, 0.17 equals 65,000. Okay, what's irritating me is I did it in here. I don't know how accurate this thing is, but I know AI told me it was like something like 66,000 or something like that. It was like, yeah, based on all the this, you got about 66,000. I don't understand how this individual had the wrong thing. And I'm not saying they're wrong. I'm going to go through and I'm going to see if everything can be reconciled and if it makes sense and it's all that. And it is what it is. Based on records and everything I did, that's all I can do. Even AI said I only had 66,000 last year. And it kind of makes sense. So where this other numbers came from for like an extra 100,000, I got no freaking clue. But I will tell you this. I believe AI damn near more than I do a person. And that's a scary thing. I know it sounds. But how shady people are and, you know, things that they do. I think it was a song back in the day. You know, that number, you know, women lie, men lie, Well, but numbers don't lie, right? Well, think about this. Men lie, women lie, and they also gonna lie about numbers. But you know who ain't gonna lie about numbers? It's really getting to that point. AI is not lying about numbers. So accountants, you better watch your back on the AI stuff because if you guys doing shady stuff, it is no need for you. I said it. It's no need for you because at the end of the day, if this software is helping me stay organized better than you can because you want to do shady stuff or you don't really want to add it up, you know, this is what this individual told me. They don't add up stuff anymore. You don't add it up. You don't add up stuff. That doesn't make sense. And I'm trusting you with my account. Business owner, been a big business owner, and you gonna tell me that. I'll be back.